Malaysia has a really good spot on the map. It's located in Southeast Asia, right between the Indian Ocean and the South China Sea, making it a crucial point for maritime trade. It's right in the middle of important shipping routes. This strategic position allows Malaysia to control and benefit from a significant portion of global maritime traffic. This makes it a popular place for trade and investment. Many international businesses see Malaysia as a gateway to the rest of Asia, making it a hub for economic activities. Malaysia also has a diverse economy, which is a good thing. It includes sectors like manufacturing, technology, agriculture, and services, providing a balanced economic structure. It helps it bounce back from tough times in the world economy. This resilience is crucial for maintaining steady growth even during global economic downturns. The economy used to be focused on farming, then it shifted to making things, and now it's moving towards services and technology. This evolution shows Malaysia's ability to adapt and grow. You can see Malaysia's diverse economy in what it sells to other countries. Everything from electronics and palm oil to petroleum products and chemicals. Tourism is also important, attracting millions of visitors each year. People visit from all over to see its beautiful nature and interesting culture. The tourism sector not only boosts the economy but also promotes cultural exchange. This mix of businesses has helped Malaysia's economy grow steadily. The combination of traditional and modern industries creates a robust economic environment. The government has helped a lot too. It has implemented policies that encourage growth and stability, ensuring a favorable business climate. It made policies to encourage investment from other countries, like offering tax breaks and simpler rules. These incentives attract foreign investors, boosting the economy further. It also spent a lot of money on things like roads, ports, and airports. This infrastructure development is essential for supporting economic activities and improving connectivity. All this has made Malaysia a good place for businesses. The combination of strategic location, diverse economy, and supportive government policies creates an attractive environment for entrepreneurs. Malaysia's diverse economy and great location have set it up for success. Its ability to adapt and grow in various sectors ensures a promising future. The country has shown it can handle global challenges. Its resilience and adaptability are key strengths in navigating economic uncertainties. Its focus on technology and new ideas makes the future look bright. Innovation and technological advancements are driving forces for Malaysia's continued growth. Malaysia is ready to become a big player in the world economy. With its strategic position, diverse economy, and forward-thinking policies, it is well positioned for future success. Malaysia faces some significant challenges on its way to becoming a financial powerhouse. These challenges are multifaceted and require a comprehensive approach to overcome. Competition from around the world is one major hurdle. Global financial markets are highly competitive, and Malaysia must navigate this complex landscape. Rich countries and other up-and-coming economies are always competing for investment and customers. This constant competition means Malaysia must continuously innovate and improve its infrastructure and services. This means Malaysia has to keep getting better and more creative. Corruption is another significant problem that hampers progress. Corruption makes things less transparent and scares away potential investors. It creates an environment of uncertainty and mistrust. Malaysia is actively trying to fight corruption. The government has launched several initiatives to combat this issue. It has made its institutions stronger and tightened its rules. These efforts are crucial for building a more transparent and accountable system. But it needs to do more to make honesty and responsibility part of its culture. This cultural shift is essential for long-term success. Social problems also create significant challenges. Issues like urban poverty and social inequality need urgent attention. Some people are rich and others are poor. This wealth disparity can lead to social unrest and hinder overall development. Closing this gap is important for everyone to grow. Social equality programs and community development initiatives are steps in the right direction. The government has programs to help people in need and make sure everyone has the same chances. These programs aim to provide education, healthcare, and financial support to the underprivileged. Even with these challenges, Malaysia has made a lot of progress. The country is continuously developing its infrastructure and embracing technological advancements. It's working hard to have a good government and improve people's lives. Effective governance and public service are key to sustainable development. Facing these issues head-on will help Malaysia reach its full potential. With determination and strategic planning, Malaysia can overcome these obstacles and achieve lasting prosperity. In 1991, Malaysia embarked on an ambitious project known as Vision 2020. This visionary plan was the brainchild of Prime Minister Mahathir Mohamad. The primary objective was to transform Malaysia into a fully developed nation by the year 2020. The plan was comprehensive, addressing the economy, society, and political landscape. Vision 2020 spurred significant progress across various sectors. The economy saw substantial growth, new industries emerged, and the quality of life improved for many. Malaysia became a key player in the global market, exporting a wide range of manufactured goods. The vision also fostered unity among the diverse population, bringing people closer together. While not every goal of Vision 2020 was achieved, the nation made remarkable strides forward. The vision provided a clear direction and ignited a sense of excitement and purpose among the people. It laid the groundwork for Malaysia's ongoing development and modernization. The impact of Vision 2020 is evident in Malaysia's advanced infrastructure, its skilled workforce, and its expanding middle class. The vision continues to inspire Malaysia to strive for further improvements and innovations. It serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of setting ambitious goals and having long-term plans to achieve them. Malaysia knows that good government is important. It's working to make things more open and accountable. The Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission, or MACC, plays a big role. It investigates and prosecutes corruption cases. This has helped to reduce dishonest practices. Technology is a big part of Malaysia's plan for growth. The government has invested a lot in digital infrastructure, like expanding internet access and teaching people digital skills. This is all about building an economy based on knowledge. Financial reforms have made Malaysia's financial system stronger. The Securities Commission Malaysia, or SC, regulates the capital market. It makes sure things are transparent and protects investors. Bank Negara Malaysia, the central bank, keeps the financial system stable. These initiatives have created a good environment for businesses, attracting foreign investment and boosting economic growth. Malaysia's commitment to good governance is key to its continued success. Malaysia has become a big player in the global bond market. Malaysia's bond market is the biggest in Southeast Asia. It offers lots of different types of bonds like government bonds, company bonds, and Islamic bonds. This attracts investors from Malaysia and other countries. The Malaysian government has actively promoted the bond market. It has strong rules to make sure things are transparent and investors are protected. The government has also introduced new ideas to make the market even bigger. Investors from other countries are more and more interested in Malaysian bonds. They like the stable economy and good regulations. This has helped the market grow. Malaysia's bond market is important for funding development. It gives companies and the government another way to raise money. The continued growth of this market is crucial for Malaysia's economic future. The growth of Islamic finance has made Malaysia a world leader. Malaysia was one of the first countries to adopt Islamic finance. It has a complete Islamic financial system, including banking, capital markets, and insurance. Malaysia has strong rules for Islamic finance. The Malaysian International Islamic Financial Center, or MIFC, shows how committed Malaysia is. Launched in 2006, the MIFC aims to make Malaysia the center of Islamic finance worldwide. It has attracted top Islamic financial institutions from all over. Malaysia's expertise in Islamic finance is well known. It's a leading issuer of sukuk, which are like Islamic bonds. Malaysian institutions are actively creating new Islamic financial products and services. The growth of Islamic finance creates big opportunities for Malaysia. It strengthens its position as a global financial center and improves its economic relationships with Muslim countries. Malaysia's strong economy was tested during the 2008 global financial crisis. The crisis affected Malaysia too. Exports went down, and economic growth slowed. But Malaysia handled it better than many other countries. A few things helped Malaysia get through it. Its diverse economy acted as a cushion, and strong spending within the country helped too. Careful government spending gave the government tools to respond effectively. Malaysia took action to boost the economy, like spending on infrastructure and cutting taxes. The central bank also lowered interest rates to encourage borrowing. These measures worked well in lessening the impact of the crisis. Malaysia's economy bounced back quickly, showing how strong it was and how effective its policies were. Continued growth and future predictions make the future look bright for Malaysia. The country has consistently achieved impressive economic growth, showing its good policies and strong fundamentals. The World Bank thinks Malaysia's economy will grow by 4% in 2024. Several things are driving this growth. People in Malaysia are still spending money, the services sector is growing quickly, and the government is spending money on infrastructure projects. Malaysia is in a good position for continued growth with a young and growing population. The government is committed to investing in education and job skills, which is good for the future. But there are still challenges. Uncertainty in the global economy could affect Malaysia's exports, and the government needs to address income inequality and help people move up in society. Malaysia's rise in global finance is full of big achievements and future potential. The country has become an important part of the global financial world, thanks to good planning and resilience. You can see Malaysia's success in its strong financial system, active capital market, and leadership in Islamic finance. The country's location, diverse economy, and strong institutions give it a solid base for future growth. Malaysia is ready to take advantage of the opportunities in the global economy. But Malaysia must continue to address challenges like staying competitive, fighting corruption, and making sure everyone benefits from growth. By tackling these challenges, Malaysia can secure its position as a leading financial power. Malaysia's story is inspiring to other developing economies. It shows that with good policies, a clear vision, and hard work, amazing progress is possible. Malaysia has a bright future in the world of finance,